these. Y'all know I'm gonna hook these nails up. And what caught my eye is better than sex. Because I'm like, what's better than sex? What is better than sex? I said, oh no, I gotta try this. I need to know if it's better than sex. What is up, Chalk Nation? It's your girl Chalk, and I am back with another video. And I just made a store run. It's about 10 o'clock at night right now, y'all, but I made a Dollar Tree run, and I just had to show y'all what I got from Dollar Tree. So let's get on into it. Okay, so this is my bag of stuff that I got from Dollar Tree. Some of this stuff is irrelevant to the video, so we're not gonna get on into the household supplies and things that I got in this bag, but I just had to show y'all this. Y'all know how I have been in my stiletto nail era. I am loving stiletto nails right now. Tell me why they got them in Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree got stiletto nails and they are cute. I hope y'all can see how they look. My ring light is kind of bright, but this is like a ombre reddish pinkish color, and they are stiletto shape. I got 2 of them because they only come with 12 nails in the box. So yes, look at these, super cute. So not only did I get that color, I also got these royal blue ones. I'm holding them at this angle because when I hold them straight, y'all can't really see them because of the ring light. But yes, so I also got royal blue. And where's the other one? They also had these really cute purple ones, and they have like a little design on them. So of course I got 2 of these too. Come through, Dollar Tree. Come on, Dollar Tree. Chalk Nation, every other month or so, y'all should check y'all local Dollar Tree out to see if they got some new nails or nail products, because it's been about a month or so since my local Dollar Tree got new nail products, but I knew something was coming, and I had a feeling when I went in there I was gonna see something today, and today was my lucky day. I found these, and y'all already know I'm gonna hook these nails up, and I'm gonna make sure I do a video when I decide to put these on so y'all can see. And I'll definitely be doing a review in case you guys want to see how the nails are before you purchase them from your local Dollar Tree. But yes, y'all need to start checking y'all local Dollar Tree out a little more often, because they be snapping. When they get new stuff, it be good stuff. Okay, so I also bought this large nail file. It's nothing spectacular about it, nothing too crazy. I just saw it and I was like, you can never have too many nail files, so I just went ahead and bought this nail file. The next thing I got from Dollar Tree is this deodorant, and it is aluminum free, and it's by Power Stick. I've never tried this brand of aluminum free deodorant, but I've been trying to make more health conscious decisions when it comes to buying certain things like deodorant. I don't know if you guys know, but if you don't know, they say the deodorant that has aluminum in it is cancer causing, breast cancer causing, specifically because the ducts under your arm are connected to your breast tissue. So I started wearing aluminum free deodorant, so when I saw this one I was like, I haven't tried this, so I picked this one up. It's cucumber mint. So let's open it and see what it smells like. Ooh, it smells so good and fresh. Yes, anything cucumber scented, it always has such a very fresh smell to it, and I love really sweet fresh scents on my body, so yeah. Okay, so that is it for the things that I got from Dollar Tree. I also went to Target to pick up a few things that was recommended to me because I want to do a nice, soft, natural beat on my face for my birthday, and somebody recommended these Maybelline products to me, so I went to Target and picked them up. Normally I'm a Fenty girl, okay? If I'm gonna do foundation, it's Fenty, point blank, period. But I wanted to try a different one. So I picked up the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It has a matte poreless finish, which is what I'm going for. I also got the Maybelline matte finish setting spray and the Maybelline primer. Okay, now here's where I may need y'all help, Chalk Nation, because I am not a makeup girly at all. I am 99% natural every day. The 1% is eyeliner, mascara, and lip gloss or Carmex. That's it. That is me on a daily. I feel like my skin is very nice. Shout out to my mama and my daddy for having them good genes, passing down good skin to me. So I don't feel like I need to do the extras when it comes to makeup because I always want to look natural. I don't want to look overdone. So if y'all have used these Maybelline products or this Fit Me foundation in particular, let me know how y'all like it. And let me know what makeup y'all use. What do y'all be using? Like, how do y'all be getting that bomb flawless makeup? If you are a makeup girly, drop a comment and let me know. Now, this next thing that I picked up from Target, the name of it is what caught my eye. Better Than Sex is what caught my eye, okay? This is Better Than Sex Volumizing Mascara by the brand Too Faced. Y'all know Target and step their game up. It's low-key like a Sephora or Ulta when you go in there. So I got this from that section of makeup. And what caught my eye is Better Than Sex. Because I'm like, what's better than sex? What is better than sex? And what it got to do with makeup? Better than sex? I said, oh no, I gotta try this because I need to know if it's better than sex, because sex, they comparing this to sex. Sex sells, I guess, because I was sold, honey. I was sold because Better Than Sex, are they serious? Let me just read some of the description of this mascara that's supposed to be better than sex. It says high performance, water resistant, more volumized, dramatically thicker, intense length. What are we talking about here? Because it doesn't sound like we talking about mascara. Oh my goodness, I love the wordplay on this. Too Faced, they did that because that's what sold me. This is waterproof and the shape of the brush is like an hourglass, and it says our hourglass shaped brush was designed after discovering the bust waist hip ratio of an iconic silver screen blonde bombshell held the secret to the perfect brush silhouette that separates, coats, and curls each lash to voluptuous perfection. It also goes on to say lashes are full, defined, and stretched to unbelievable lengths for voluminous, waterproof lashes. I like it, and I'm finna try it. So let's put some on and see. Okay, so there's our hourglass brush, which it's not giving too much hourglass, But let's see. I don't have any mascara on right now. I just have eyeliner on, and I just kind of, you know, lined my top corner of my eye and lined my under eye. And we gonna try this Better Than Sex mascara. It's not giving so far, but we just gonna keep going. Okay, hold up. We starting to see a little some. We almost there. We haven't reached our climax. So I don't know if it's better than sex yet. Okay, it's giving. Ooh, yes. Give it to me. Give it to me. Okay, let me stop playing, y'all. Look at this lash. Look compared to this eye without it and this eye with it. It looks like I have some lashes on, and ooh, it might be better than sex. And this is only one coat. Like, I'm gonna put some more. Ooh, it got me coming back for more. Look at this, y'all. Look at this sexy ass lash. Look at the length. Look at the curl. From one coat. Imagine if I did 2 coats of this. Ooh, baby. Baby. I am completely sold. All them other mascaras, trash. This one right here is the keeper. Go get y'all some of this. If I could link it in the description of this video, I will. This is not a sponsored video either. This is just stuff that I picked up from Target and Dollar Tree. Matter of fact, we finna put another coat on. Just one more. It got me completely open and wanting to come back for more. They was not lying. Oh, look at that. Look at it. Look how it's just stretching out, curling up, reaching its maximum potential. That's what we need in our life. Yes, 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 and yes. Look at that. Look at it compared to my other eye. Period. Woo! I feel like I need a glass of wine and a cigarette. I'm just playing, y'all. I'm just being a little bit dramatic, but this lash, like, that stuff is too good. This is some good stuff, y'all. That's some good stuff. But anyways, if you are viewing this video and you have not subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. You are going to love it here. And drop your girl a comment and let me know how you feel about the products that I showed you guys in this video. Also, like this video and make sure you guys hit that notification bell so that you know when the next video is dropping. And I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.